Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all on my channel once again. My name is CMA Neha Shaw and I am working in NBCC India Limited. So today I am going to share with you all my campus placement experience. Yes, you have heard it right. A lot of people have asked me to share this experience. So in my journey of CMA, I didn't elaborate about that. So today I'll be elaborating about this particular thing. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video and learn from my experience. And at the same time, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give the thumbs up. You can get connected to me via social media, which is Instagram and Telegram. So one more thing I want to tell you that Unacademy, India's largest learning platform, has started their CMA Foundation classes for December 21. So the classes name is RM. You can see in the screen, comprehensive batch will be starting from 1st September. In every Wednesday they are bringing the new batch and they are having the professionally competent teachers to teach the students and make them fully groomed so that they can appear in the CMA exam of December 21. So students who haven't taken any classes yet, so go to the Google Play and download the Unacademy's app, and you just have to select your goal as CMA Foundation, and then you can take the subscription. And the best part of the subscription is that if you are watching my video, then you can use my code CMA Neha, CMA NEHA, for getting 10% discount for any exam whichever is registered in Unacademy, whether it's CA, CMA or CS Foundation or any competitive exam. You will definitely get 10% discount. The benefits you can see on the screen. The live lectures will be there. At the same time, if you miss the live lecture, you will get the recorded one too. The batch switch options will be there, the doubt clearing sessions will be there in every week, and at the same time the exams they will be conducted for your preparation. So go grab this opportunity, don't miss it, and I am definitely sure you will love after getting this subscription. So let's get on the video. And the photos you have seen, that was a glimpse of the certification which I have received after completing my CMA campus training. So starting with my experience, when I've cleared my CMA exams and become the CMA, my mother was the first person to whom I've told this. I was in my office, I checked my results and I found that I cleared it. My mother started crying. So this was something that I need to tell you, that when you clear something which is relating to the expectation of every family member, then जो खुशी की चीज़ होती है ना, वो आँखों से बहती है. That is unexpressible thing है वो. तो आप भी मोटिवेट हो और CMA क्लियर करें. सो इसके साथ साथ आई वांट टू टेल यू, वेर आई सॉ द रिजल्ट्स, आई सॉ देयर वाज अ लिंक. वहाँ पे उन्होंने बता रखा था, इफ़ आई वांट टू सिट फॉर द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट सो आई हैव टू रजिस्टर माई सेल्फ. दे चार्ज मी नॉमिनल अमाउंट ऑफ फीस, एंड वहाँ पे पूरा प्रॉपर आपको अपनी डिटेल्स देनी पड़ती है. यू हैव टू गिव एवरी डिटेल्स एज यू गिव इन द CV. अ प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट इज़ गिवन. सो आप रजिस्टर करते हैं. लोगों को ये मिथ है कि कैंपस प्लेसमेंट आपको जहाँ से कैंपस करना है, मतलब इंटरव्यू आप जहाँ से दोगे, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपका सेम प्लेस हो जहाँ से आपने ट्रेनिंग की. अगर आपने ट्रेनिंग कोलकाता से की है, सो यू कैन सिट फॉर द कैंपस ऑफ दिल्ली ऑल्सो या फिर मुंबई ऑल्सो. सो जब आप रजिस्टर करते हो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए, सो देयर दे आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, सो यू हैव टू फिल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. सो दे हैव देयर बिग सिटीज़ एंड स्मॉल सिटीज़ कॉन्सेप्ट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आप वो फिल कर सकते हो जहाँ से आपको कैंपस लेना है और जहाँ आपको ट्रेनिंग करनी है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कन्वीनियंस. I have also filled the same. I have taken the campus and the training both from Kolkata Eastern Zone. So ट्रेनिंग के दौरान आपके क्या होता है कि आपकी प्रॉपर ग्रूमिंग होती है. हाउ यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर कैंपस. जब आप इंटरव्यू देते हो तो आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें फॉलो करनी पड़ती है, व्हाट आर द डूज एंड डोंट्स यू शुड बीइंग अ कैंडिडेट शुड फॉलो. एंड इसके साथ साथ आपको प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिलती है. इंस्टीट्यूट कॉल्स renowned people to guide you about the interviews, the people who have the experience of taking interviews, what the interviewer expects, what are the key things that an interviewee should focus on while giving the interviews. So इसके साथ साथ इंटरव्यू जब प्रॉपर होता है, तो इंटरव्यू में 3 राउंड्स यूजुअली मानते होता है. first either a written exam, they can conduct a written exam, or GD, a group discussion they can conduct, and then a PI round. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोई भी कंपनी तीनों राउंड्स ही कंडक्ट करवाए, varies according to the companies to companies. उसके according to preparation होती थी. So we had some sessions on GST too, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे GST was the hot topic, GST, Ind AS, and we had the direct presentations. Big companies, CEOs and director finance of PSUs came and they have guided us, they have shared their experience with us. So a lot of learning we have received during campus training. So सुबह आई गेस सुबह 10 से स्टार्ट होता था एंड टिल 5 का कंटिन्यू होता था, 2-5 में था, बिफोर लंच एंड आफ्टर लंच. सो वी क्वाइट एन्जॉयड दैट टाइम एंड यू वोंट बिलीव दैट मैं जिनके साथ बैठती थी, मतलब थ्रू आउट द ट्रेन विद होम आई हैव सैट, मतलब 4 लोगों का था सीट्स, मतलब 1 रो में, उनके साथ बहुत कम कॉन्टैक्ट है. बट friends I have earned, I would say, from that campus placement या campus training, that is worth. मतलब जिनसे मेरी लास्ट 2 या 3 दिन कैंपस के एंड में बात हुई, ट्रेनिंग के एंड में बात हुई, उनके साथ अभी भी बहुत अच्छे कॉन्टैक्ट्स है. एंड इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट द कैंपस से मुझे मिला. सो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट जो होता है ट्रेनिंग के बाद, वो यूजुअली 2 दिन का होता है. एंड इनिशियली यू डोंट गेट टू नो कि कौन सी कंपनी कौन से जोन में आ रही है, आई मीन कौन से कैंपस में आ रही है. लाइक जब आपकी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट होती है तो ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ कंपनीज भी आती है, इनरोल कराती है, एंड देन इंस्टीट्यूट वेबसाइट में ये अपलोड होता है कि कौन सी कंपनी कौन से जोन में आ रही है. कुछ कंपनियां दिल्ली में आती है तो कोलकाता में नहीं, कुछ कंपनियां मुंबई आती है तो कोई कंपनी. आपको ग्रेजुअली यू गेट अपडेटेड अबाउट दिस, सो यू विल नॉट गेट दिस व्हेन यू विल फिल द फॉर्म और रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ फॉर द कैंपस. लेटर ऑन यू गेट टू नो. सो हमारे टाइम पे one of my friend, he was also there with me in tuition. He sat in the training in the eastern region, but जो campus उसका था वो he taken from Mumbai. I was there in Kolkata, so मैंने कोलकाता में ही दोनों चीज़ें करी थी. So I was lucky that I've got NBCC. So I would say like 2 दिन का हमारा कैंपस था. तो हमारे टाइम पे ITC के, कंसल्टिंग फर्म PwC के, IT कंपनी के, LNT, NBCC इंडिया लिमिटेड, PSU में सिर्फ NBCC आई थी और सारे प्राइवेट कंपनीज थे. फर्स्ट डे जो भी कंपनीज आती है, दे प्रेजेंट देयर सेल्फ, दे गिव द प्रेजेंटेशन टू द कैंडिडेट्स दैट व्हाट दे डू. क्योंकि it's not that ki company has to select the candidates, it's that also that whether candidates are interested to work in that company or not. So they present things in front of us. So this was the way it happened. Or during training we have got lot of experience, like हमारे mock interviews होते थे during trainings. इसके साथ साथ हमारे GDs भी conduct होते थे, topics दे देते थे, और group में स्टेज पे we used to give mock GDs. उसके साथ साथ प्रॉपर डिस्कशंस वगैरह होता था कोई भी टॉपिक को लेके. सो बहुत कुछ लर्निंग थी जो कैंपस ट्रेनिंग में थी. आई वोंट से दैट इट वाज बैड, इट वाज वेरी गुड. एंड इसके साथ साथ कैंपस ट्रेनिंग जब 2 दिन का हमारा एक्चुअल कैंपस स्टार्ट हुआ, जॉब इंटरव्यू स्टार्टेड. सो इन फर्स्ट L&T was also there, yes. So I wanted to go to L&T, and there was one company, I don't remember the name of the company, that is there in ERP implementation. So I liked the job profile just because it gave me an opportunity to roam around the world. क्योंकि उनकी जो काम थे, मतलब आई मीन ERP इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो था SAP का एंड Oracle का, वो था आपका थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, कहीं भी जाके करना है. अगर कोई कंपनी वहाँ है तो वी हैड टू गो एंड डू द ERP इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. सो उनका जॉब प्रोफाइल अच्छा था, बट दैट वाज आउटसाइड द कोलकाता एंड दैट वाज देयर इन गुजरात. सो सैलरी वाज नॉट दैट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग. सो दे सेड दैट ग्रेजुअली दैट सैलरी विल इंक्रीज, बट like this was the main thing that I was resisting to work there. But L&T का जो मैंने बताया कि रिटन एग्जाम्स भी होता है, तो L&T conducted a written exam. So there were I guess 20 people, I don't remember the count, but there were I guess 20 people got selected via written exam. So I was among them, and then I went for the second round, that was a PIA, personal interview. So personal interview में I made a big mistake. They have asked me about my father, and my father at the time, like my father met an accident, so उनके accident के बाद he was bedridden for 1 to 2 years. So वो एक तो होता है कि आप डरे हुए हो that because that was my first interview, and उसके साथ साथ आपको लोग अपनी फैमिली के पर्सनल थिंग मतलब आ गए और मैं इमोशनल हो गई. So there was a time like I was for 2 minutes I was completely numb. I was unable to speak. I tried to speak but nothing was coming out of my mouth. So the interviewer asked me to have some water. I had some water taken 2 to 3 minutes and then I started talking. So ये बहुत बड़ा मेरे लिए setback था कि that I have shown my weakness to them. Although the interview went very good, I have answered all the questions they have asked, but the fact is that they wanted someone to work in the construction site, and working in construction site you need someone to be very strong, and I showed my weakness to them. So there could be the reason that they didn't select me. So the company which I was talking about, the other one, the ERP implementing company, so they selected me, and but they didn't tell the same day, because there were 2 days. I told you the interview was going on. First day was the presentation day and second day was the actual interview. Second day I was pretty sure that they will definitely select me, and this happened also the same way. I got to know very later, like after 2 weeks I got a call from them that you have got selected, would you like to join to us. But by that time I've got the call from NBCC that I've got selected, so I thought to join to NBCC rather than that company. So the NBCC's interview, if I'll talk about, there was nothing specific CV that I had to submit to the NBCC. They had their own criteria of selecting. The form which I have filled while registering for campus placement, the details which I have given, they have selected the candidates on the basis of that form, and then they had the document verification before going for the interview, and thereafter they did what, they have taken the interview, and there were 4 people in the panel and all from the finance background, and I was very scared because it was a conference room in my eastern region, and that was quite big, and only I was sitting in the other side of the table and 4 people were sitting on the other side and taking my interview. So the interview was good, and I wasn't sure whether I'll get selected or not, because there were 42 people who got selected for the interview among 72, because 72 were there in my training batch, and out of that 42, I am forgetting the count, pardon me if I'm wrong. So 42 were selected, and out of 42 only 3 seats were there, 2 for the general and 1 for the OBC reserved category, and I was in the general, so I was not that sure whether I'll get selected or not. How can you, because there were 42 and all are good, and getting selected among 42 is a big thing. So in the evening, L&T and NBCC declared their results, and NBCC was the last company to declare their results, and the last day of the campus because one day they have came on the same day they have interviewed 42 candidates, so quite lengthy process. So what happened, like on the last date when L&T declared the results, I found that I wasn't among the candidates who got selected, so I lost a lot of hope because I wanted to go there. But later on, when NBCC declared its result, I guess it was 9:30 when they declared the results, and I was not having the hope that I'll got selected, but I got to know that I've got selected. It was giving me goosebumps that I've got finally selected on the campus. Like I was very happy when I told my mom. I called at that time. When I got to know, she was very happy because she went to temple offering worship to God for my campus selection. So she was very happy. There were 3 from Kolkata Eastern Zone, and in total from the all around the world they have selected, NBCC selected 10 candidates. And thereafter the NBCC's journey started, and till this time it is continuing. The best thing, that the reason I am liking NBCC because they are taking care of me, they are taking care of their employees, and the best thing that I am from Kolkata only, and I am posted here also, and our director finance Miss BK Sokhi. She always takes care of each and every finance employees and other employees too. So this was my journey, and the takeaways for me from this CMA campus placement is that students should always go for campus training. They should not skip this. मतलब आपको बहुत कुछ पता चलता है कैंपस ट्रेनिंग में, क्योंकि लोग आते हैं जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी इंटरव्यू दिया होता है, उनको भी बुलाते हैं कैंपस में कि आप जाके गाइड करो. जिन्होंने जॉब ले ली है कैंपस से, उनको भी बुला के बताते हैं कि उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में ट्रेनिंग के दौरान. तो ये चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होती है. और जो एक मेरा जो टिप्स रहेगा कि आप कभी भी नर्वस मत होइए, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू में जब आप जाते हो तो नर्वसनेस अंदर रहती है डेफिनेटली, बट जब आप थोड़े इमोशनल हो जाते हो ना, सो don't bring your emotions when you are giving interview. When you bring your emotions into the interviewer lost the confidence on you, क्योंकि आप खुद कमज़ोर पड़ जाते हो. they see your weakness, and when they see your weakness, so आपका सिलेक्शन थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है. फिर उसके साथ साथ आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हेन यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू यू शुड बी परफेक्टली प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली एंड physically too. Like you should always behave professionally, that you are actually a professional and you will be portraying your whole fraternity. So make sure you are confident, you walk confidently, you sit confidently, and you talk to them seeing into their eye, and don't try to be over smart. If you don't know any answer against the questions they have thrown, just simply say, I cannot answer this question, I need to read और आई नीड टू नो अबाउट दिस. सो बस इतना बोलना होता है. एंड इसके साथ साथ ट्रेनिंग जो होती है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. जब आप ट्रेनिंग करते हो ना, तो आपको बहुत कुछ प्रैक्टिकली पता चलता है. तो ये सब आपके कैंपस में बहुत सारी चीज़ें काम आ जाती है. डू योर ट्रेनिंग प्रॉपरली फ्रॉम अ प्रॉपर प्लेस, सो दैट आपको पता चले कि इंटरव्यू में ये प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग आपको कितनी काम आती है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे टाइम पे प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, सिचुएशन देते हैं, एंड आपको बताना पड़ता है कि आप उस सिचुएशन में किस चीज़ को कैसे डील करोगे. तो ये सारी चीज़ें प्रैक्टिकली आप जब करते हो तभी आपको पता चलती है. एंड इसके साथ साथ आपको बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल होना पड़ता है फॉर योर जॉब्स. लाइक आपको कहीं पे भी जो भी इंटरव्यू ले रहा है, ही वॉन्ट्स यू टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल टू गेट पोस्टेड एनीवेयर इन द इंडिया. सो यू हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल इनफ कि आप कहीं भी पोस्टेड हो. जब मेरा NBCC में सिलेक्शन हुआ था, दे डायरेक्टली आस्क्ड मी वेदर यू आर कंफर्टेबल विथ गेटिंग पोस्टेड टू एनीवेयर. सो आई वॉज कंफर्टेबल, आई न्यू इट. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट द कॉल टू रिपोर्ट NBCC in the headquarter of the NBCC is in Delhi, so I knew that I'll be posted in the NBCC's Delhi headquarter. So I have packed all my bags according to that. I've taken complete stuff to get relocated to Delhi. So after 12 days induction training, at the last day we got to know where we will be posted. So luckily I have got the place where I am from, that was Kolkata, and I've got posted in the Kolkata. So till this stage, till this time, like it's been 3 years, 8 months I am working in NBC, and I'm very happy. I hope this particular experience sharing video would help you to know more about the campus placement and to know about the campus training. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please be supportive and join my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Bye bye.